Hi everyone, welcome to Thai Language Training Center video classroom, and today we will learn New Concept English Book 1, Lesson 59 and 60. Sağollaşlar yaxshimizlar. Bugun shu yomqum inglizlar birinchi qism 59 darsni va 60 darsni o'rganmoqchi. Unda bugungi darsimiz nima desanglar? Is that all? Xo'sh, anda biz shu oldingi dars o'tilgan bir necha muhim nuqtalar bor. Shu nuqtalarni bir qadar takrorlab o'tgandan keyin undan keyin yangi darsimizni boshlasak. All right. First of all, a vocabulary. Look, you have home in a place. Okay, what is that? It means live. You have home in a place. It means live. Müşünü mərəsanlar, yaşamaq degan deməyimiz sanlar, live. You do not move away or leave means stay. Turmaq şunama. Bir yerə köçəb getmək, yoki şu yerdə midəm nima qilgan bo'lsam, men stay. Mesela stay at home, bir yerə midəm aslaq şunama, stay at a hotel, mimaqara turmaq degan gap. You do it to keep your house clean. Okay, what would you do? Housework, right? So you get to a place, it means like arrive, you eat a meal at noon, lunch. Okay. Andaqda qaranglar, biz oldingi darsimizda o'rgangan bir necha muhim nuqtalar, masalan, tekstdagi muhim bo'lgan nuqtalar. Okay, u bo'lsa, tell the story. For example, the children go to school by car every day. Odatda qanaqa qildi? Mashina bilan bordi. But today, the children are going to school on foot. Okay. Burun bolalar maktabga mashina bilan boradi, lekin bolalar hozir nima bilan boryapti? Menga piyoda beryapti. Mrs. Sawyer usually does the housework in the morning. Okay, atdeganlar nima ish qildi? Uyning ishlarini qildi. But this morning she is shopping. Okay, and bu atdegan nima ish qildi? Bu ayol mal setib olibdi. Bir narsani setib olib Shunama do shopping. So in the afternoon, Mrs. Sawyer usually, drinks tea in the living room. But this afternoon, she is drinking tea in the garden. In the evening, children usually do their homework. But this evening, the children are not doing their homework. At the moment, they are playing in the garden. At night, Mr. Sawyer usually reads his newspaper. Sawyer But tonight, he's not reading his newspaper. At the moment, and he's reading an interesting book. And o bugün bir qiziqarli bir kitoblar o'qiyotdi. Bo'ldi sağdaşlar, hamsa bugungi muhim bo'lgan nuqtalar mishagichi bo'lsin. Aniqda 59-dars. Is that all? Mushunchirikma. Okay, birinchisi envelope. Qaranglar. Envelope. Okay, envelope. Do you know the envelope? Okay. Envelope deganimiz nima bo'ladi? Sanlar, shu convert. Convert nima deymiz sanlar? Envelope. I want an envelope please. Okay. Menga bir tal nima lozimdi? Convert lozimdi. Okay, want mishara lozim degan gap. I want an envelope please. Okay. And is there a letter in the envelope? Demakchi bu convert nima bormi? Xat bormi degan. Ama bir şeylerge envelope degan bu söz nima desanlar, i bilan boshlanib, i bilan oxirlashadigan so'z savolashlar. Envelope. I want an envelope. Okay, an envelope. Is there a letter in the envelope? Okay. And these envelopes are small. I want some large ones. Nima bu konvertlasam kichikroq ekan, menga bir cho'ngroq lozimdi. These envelopes are small. I want some large envelopes. Okay, good. Next one is writing paper. Writing paper. Okay, writing paper degan hamda shu salom xat qog'ozi. Shuni deymiz, writing paper deymiz. Writing paper hamda salom xat qog'ozi. Yana where can I buy envelopes and writing paper? Okay. Men narim shu convert bilan ish qog'ozini ya salom xat qog'ozi to'layman. Hamda bu nima desanlar, sanag'ini bo'lmaydi writing paper deganda. Va har xil yak holat shunami? I want to buy a pen and some writing paper for my sister. Nima desanlar, men singlimga bir tal qalam bilan bir necha tal nima sotib olmoqchi. Salom xat qog'ozi. Okay, writing paper. And the writing paper mesela piece of writing paper and the bir parça nima desanlar, mishadaki xat qog'ozi. And a pad of writing paper. And a pad degan tuplangan bo'ladi. Pad degan o'zi tuplangan ish qog'ozini pad deymiz. And a pad qanaqa qilgan bo'ldi desangiz sanag'an bo'ldi. And a pad of writing paper and a tuplangan bir salom xat qog'ozi yoki xat qog'ozi desak bu nima deymiz? Buni it's okay. Ma pad degan sanag'an bo'ldi. Adatda iPad deymiz shunami? iPad u bu degandek. Masalan, do you have any writing paper? Yes, we do. Okay. No, we don't. And the jawab berganda yes, we do. No, we don't. The jawab bergan. Okay, and the king said shop assistant. Okay, shop assistant. Shop degan dukkan nami, assistant degan yordamchi deb bilgan ilgari. Masalan, office assistant. Bu ishxona yordamchisi degan gap bo'ldi. Shop assistant posting bo'ldi desanlar. Hamda bu hisobda dukkan yordamchisi prikazchik degan gap. So, what's her job? Okay, onun xizmati nima? And u bo'lsa bir prikazchik degan nima deymiz? She is a shop assistant. Okay, she is a shop assistant. Okay, so how much is this cup? Okay, how much is this cup? Bu stakan nech pol? Zamda prikazchikdan so'rang degan nima deymiz? Ask the shop assistant, please. Ask the shop assistant, please. Okay, next one is size. Okay, size. Size degan razmeri cho'ng kichikligi degan gap. Cho'ng kichikligi. Masalan, biz kiyim-kechak sotib olganda SML mushunga diqqat qilamiz-ku. Endi bu S deganimiz nima desanlar? Small size. Mishalga small ninki shu S harfiniki birinchi harfi. Okay, endi M degan cho'rasanlar medium size. Bu o'rta darajalik. Small size degan kichik razmerlar shunami? And large size cho'ng razmerlar. Okay, large deganimiz nima? Cho'ng degan gap. Endi XL, XXL degan gaplar bor-ku. X deganimiz extreme, darajadan tashqari degan gap. And darajadan tashqari yo'g'on bo'lsa, XL, extreme large. Agar XXL bo'lsa, extreme large. Okay, degandek. Next one is pad, glue and chalk. Okay. Ana bu pad degan abay dedik, tuplangan ish qog'ozi. Masalan, Xinjiang universitetining maxsus ishildigan ish qog'ozi. Masalan, tuplaglik shunami? Uni deymiz pad. Ma'ni sanag'ini bo'ldi. A pad, one pad, two pads, three pads debchu. And glue degancha shilim. Shilimni sanag'ini bo'lmaydi. Buni one glue degani bo'lmaydi. A bottle of glue. Chalk degancha bor degan gap. Endi ma glue-ning hamda ilgirki ishlatilganda, endi ma suyuq holatda bo'ldi-ku, endi hozir qilsa ma qattiq holatda bo'lib ketdi, ma bu nimada. Lekin burun nima desanlar, shu suyuq holatda bo'lgan. I want some small pads. Men azraq kichik nimalarga lozim dedi. Ish qog'ozi. There is a bottle of glue and bu yerda nima? Bir tal botilka glue deganimiz nima? Shilim. He wants some glue and some chalk. And u azraq bor bilan shilim uningga lozim ekan. Okay, next one is change. Okay, change. Change degan nima deymiz? A parcha pul yoki oshqan pul. Masalan, 9 ko'yliq narsa olgan bo'lsam, 10 ko'y bergan bo'lsam, 1 ko'y nima desam, misharaka change. Masalan, I have no change. Nima degan gap bo'ldi? Menda nima yo'q? Parcha pul yo'q. I have no change. Also, here's your change. Mana bu sizning oshgan pulingiz. Masalan, do'konda pul bersanglar, here's your change. Bu nima? Bu sizning oshgan pulingiz degan gap bo'ldi. Demakki, yazki sizning qaytgan pulingiz degan gap. Endi masalan, sal bayroq olib qolsang, aqsa olib qolsang, nima deymiz? Voy, oshgan pulni qaytomang. Bu nima deymiz? Keep the change. Keep the change. K-E-E-P change. The change. And the keep the change was nima desanglar. Oshgan pulni. Agar men oshgan pulim lozim bo'lsa, I want my change. Oshgan pulimni beraman. Qaytmaslik ruxsat yo'q. Shunami degandek. Good. And that text. First of all, listen very, very, very clearly. I'm saying listen carefully. Listen.
I want some envelopes, please.
Do you want the large size or the small size?
The large size, please. Do you have any writing paper?
Yes, we do. I don't have any small pads. I only have large ones. Do you want a pad?
Yes, please. And I want some glue.
A bottle of glue. I only have small boxes. Do you want one?
No, thank you.
Is that all?
That's all, thank you.
What else do you want?
I want my change.
All right, finished. So, lady, I want some envelopes, please. Okay, I'm sharing envelopes again. Convert lazım. I want some envelopes, please. Do you want the large size or small size? Do you want the large size or small size? The large size, please. And the müşerike muhim noktalarını yarısanlar. And I want some envelopes, please. Envelopes, please. Do you want? Do you want? The large size or the small size? The large size, please. And the müşerike muhim nokta bolgan nima yarısanlar. Bana bir neçtal nima envelope. And the envelope degan sanog'ini bo'lgan, endi bir i chiqib qolibdi bola kompyuter bosqichi. Mush asling keyingi iniqqa asling oldiga iniqqa deyotganlar envelopes. Shunami? I want some envelopes, please. Shunami? Endi bu yerga the large size and the small size. The large size degan cho'ng razmerligi. The small size degan kichik razmerligini nima deymiz sanlar? The small size. The large size, please. Endi nima? Cho'ng razmerligi. So do you have any writing paper? Do you have any writing paper? And this is that. Shqag'ız bam, salam xat qag'ız bam, xat yozdigan qag'ız. Endi misharik any shunami? Endi bani sanag'in olmaydi. Yes, we do. I don't have any small pads. Nera? Menda kichik tuplanganlar yo'qdi. Endi misharik writing paperni sanag'ini bo'lmaydi bolalar. Lekin pad deganni cho sanog'ini bo'ldi. Shunga padning keyinligini qo'ydik, s qo'ydik bu yerda. S kelgan gap. So I only have large ones. And the qarabanglar, do you want a pad? Yes, please. And sizga bir tal tuplangan chiqadi lozim bo'lsa. Yes, please debdi. Okay, yes, please debdi. Demak, hamda tuplanmagan holati bo'lsa, writing paper, agar tuplangan holati bo'lsa, pad deymiz. And I want some glue. Okay, my glue nima? Sanog'ini olmaydi. Some glue. Azroq. Endi bu some degan sanog'ini bo'lmaydigan simlarning oldiga kelsa, azroq deb ma'nosi bor. Sanog'ini bo'lgan oldiga kelsa bir qancha. Bu aniq sonini bildirmaydi. Masalan, barrel of glue, endi bir botulka. Nima? Shilim. Agar ham sanog'ini bo'lmaydigan simlarni agar sanash to'g'ri kelib qolsa, miqdor so'zlar bilan sanaymiz. Masalan, bir botulka shilim. Shunama bir qozon shilim, bir mashina shilim degandek. And I want a large box of chalk too. Hamda manga cho'ng bir eshik nima? Chalk. A box of degan bir quta eshik degan gap hamda. I only have small boxes. Menda faqat qandalari bor, kichiklari bor. Endi mera box deganda sanag'ini bo'ldi bolalar. Do you want one? Sizga nima bir quti lozimmi? Desa no, thank you. Oy bo'ldi rahmat. No, thank you. No, thank you. Oy bo'ldi rahmat. So is that all? Okay, mushunchirikmi? Is that all? Okay. Yeah, that's all. Thank you. Mushunchirik bo'lsin. Nima? Demak, that is all. Ma all degan hammasi shundan mushunchiriklam degan gap. Is that all? Mushunchirik ma'nosi. What else do you want? Endi mishariki else deganimiz nima desa, boshqa degan gap. What else do you want? So I want my change. Manga shu qaytgan pulim lozim deydi. Okay, that's all. Andaqda shu language focus shu muhim bo'lgan til nuqtasi qarab qo'yinglar. Birinchisi is that all? Mushunchirikmi? Bu amaliyot nima? That is all. That u demakchi mening lozim bo'lgani bo'lsa hammasi shu. Demak, menga lozim bo'lgan narsaning hammasi mushu bo'ldi. Demakchi bo'ldi, mushunchirik bo'lsin degan gap bunda. Endi buni qanday yarishilishga bo'ldi desanglar, masalan, do you have other questions? That's all. Bo'ldi, mushunchirik bo'lsin. Guys, do you have any questions? Yoki do you have any other questions? Bularni savolingiz bormi? That's all. Bo'ldi mushunchirik. Ondan keyin masalan, men darsni tushganda that's all for today. That's all. Mushunchirik bo'lsin. For today, bugun uchun. Demak, hamda bugun mushagichi bo'lsin degan gap bo'ldi mana. Shunga that is all for today. That's all bo'lsa mushunchirik. Masalan, o'zingizning turishingizda hi guys, I'm Oblajan, I'm la. That's all. Bo'ldi mushunchirik bo'lsa. Demakchi, bir gapni oxirlashtirmoqchi bo'lganda, tugatmoqchi bo'lganda, that's all. Mushunchirik bo'lsin. Deb ishlatamiz. Endi ikkinchisi nima desanglar, what else do you want? Endi mishariki else deganimiz nima desanglar, boshqa degan gap. Masalan, bu WH bilan boshlangan savol almashtirilgan bir nechta birga keldi. Qalayroq masalan, who else is in the room? Uyda yana boshqa kim bor? Who else? Yana boshqa kim o? Shunami? Who else? Ondan keyin where else do you want to travel? Undan boshqa yana nima sayohat qilingizmi? Demak, where else? Yana boshqa qayer? Shunami? Ondan keyin and then when else are you free? Undan boshqa yana boshqa qachon siz yana qaysi vaqtda siz qanarsa free bekor deydi. Yoki which else do you want to buy? Ya'ni yana qaysi birisini, yana boshqa qaysini qanday qilsiz siz setib olmoqchisiz bor. Demak, mushariki who else, where else, when else, which else mushu WH savol jumlaning keyinda keldi else degan mushariki boshqa. Who else yana boshqa kim? Where else yana boshqa qayer? Which else yana boshqa qaysi? When else yana boshqa qachon deganda. Yana boshqa qachon. Andaqda mushu bugungi darsimizda yana bir grammatik nuqtasi. U bo'lsin nima desanglar, have yana birisi has. Mushu have has mushki muhim bo'lgan grammatik nuqtasiga qarab qo'yinglar. Masalan, I have a sister. Okay, mening bir nima singlim bor. I don't have a sister. Endi mening singlim yo'q. Yoki ocham yo'q. Shunami? Demak, endi my sister degan ayol bir qirindishi, shunami? Demak, have degan bor, endi buning inkor shakli don't, oldiga don't ni qo'ysang nima desanglar, inkor shakliga. Endi buning savol shaklicha desanglar, do. Agar do degan yushurni olib turdi, bu o'xshaluncha do you have a sister? Sizning bir ochingiz yoki singlingiz bormi? He has a sister. Okay, endi uningki bir ayol qirindishi bor. He doesn't have a sister. Endi bu do ishparinib chiqqanda miyariki hasni qaytib oldi. Endi demak asli have asqatlib nim bo'lib ketganda has bo'lganda. Shuning bilan bu he do asqatib olib does bo'lib ketdi. He doesn't have a sister. Does he have a sister? Demak bu do yordamchi bo'lib qanday vaqt ishparinib o'rganda mush ko'pincha uchinchi shaxs birlik bo'lganda egisi. Masalan, I have some change. So you have some writing paper. They have a bottle of glue. He has some large size and Lily has a small box of chalk. Demek endi ma have ikisi birinci şahıs, ikinci şahıs, endi üçüncü şahıs köplik bo'lganda yoki birinchi, ikkinchi shaxs ko'plikning hammasiga have keldi. Ya'ni birinchi, ikkinchi shaxs bo'lganda have keldi. Agar uchinchi shaxs birlik bo'lgan ahvolda has kelgan. Masalan, he has some large size pads. Lily has a small box of chalk degandek-chi. Mana shu have hasningki ishiltilishga alohida diqqat qilsanglar bo'ladi. Andaqda bizningki 59-darsimiz müşahara oxirlashdi. Andaqda birdamdan keyin shu 60-dars, ya'ni what is the time deganni bir tafsiliy o'rganib chiqsak. Okay.